In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and update your settings using Dream Efficiency 5303, Lightning.Force, com, and Dream Efficiency 5303, mysalesforce.com. It's a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, head over to the home page on Salesforce. This is your starting point and provides an overview of your workspace. Once you're there, navigate to your profile. Simply click on the profile picture or icon that represents your account. Accessing your profile is where you can manage personal information and settings. Now, on your profile page, proceed by clicking on Settings. This menu is crucial for personalizing your Salesforce experience, including managing login credentials and security options. Within the Settings menu, the next step you'll want to take is to find the option labeled Change My Password. This is where you can update your password, an essential step in maintaining account security. Once you've selected Change My Password, a form will prompt you to input your current password. Make sure you have this handy to verify your identity. Then you'll be required to enter a new password. It's a good idea to choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. After that, confirm your new password by typing it in again, ensuring that there are no typos. Next, for additional security, you will need to choose a security question. This additional layer of protection can be helpful in case you need to recover your password in the future. After selecting a question, provide an answer that you can easily remember but would be challenging for others to guess. With your password changed, it's a good opportunity to view your profile once more, ensuring everything looks correct and your changes are saved. Finally, log out of your account to complete this part of the process. This may seem mundane, but regularly logging out prevents unauthorized access and enhances security. Now let's cover what to do if you forget your password. At the login page of Salesforce, there's an option labeled Forgot Your Password. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your username. Ensure that it is correct, then click Continue. At this point, you should check your email inbox for a message from Salesforce. Follow the instructions within, which will likely include a link for you to reset your password. Once you've reset it, you can return to the login page. Lastly, use your new password to log back into Salesforce. You should now have full access with your updated security details, ready to continue using Salesforce with peace of mind. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed and updated your Salesforce settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.